Subscribe now. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7.0, 2018. Tablet was launched in January 2018. The tablet comes with a 7.0-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 800 pixels by 1280 pixels. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7.0, 2018, is powered by 1.5 GHz quad-core processor and it comes with 1.5 GB of RAM. The tablet packs 8 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 200 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7.0, 2018, packs a 5-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 2-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7.0, 2018, runs Android and is powered by a 4000 mAh. It measures 186.90 by 108.80 by 8.70, high text width x thickness, and weight 289.00 grams. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth and FM. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer,